You've probably heard by now that McDonald's China released a Spam Oreo Burger in December of 2020. Since it was only available for one day and only in China, we decided to make our own and see what all the fuss was about. We started out with the star of the show, a can of Spam. A little trick to help the meat slide out of the tin easier is to pierce a hole in the bottom with a can opener. This releases the suction, and after a few squeezes of the can, the Spam should slide right out. The next step is to cut the Spam into even slices. We used one of our custom-made dish-branded knives, but if you have one of those fancy Spam slicers, go ahead and use that. You should get about 7 even slices of Spam. Technically, the Spam is already cooked, but you'll want to heat it up in a lightly oiled pan to develop some nice color and crunch on the outside, and also to warm the meat all the way through. Once both sides are browned, remove from the pan, then lightly toast a sesame seed bun in the same pan. Now it's time to assemble. This burger only has 3 fillings. First, squeeze mayonnaise onto both halves of the bun, then add your 2 slices of fried Spam, followed by a sprinkle of Oreo cookie crumbs, and that's it. This burger is incredibly simple. Okay, so here's the verdict. If you're a fan of the sweet and savory combination, you might actually like this. But as someone who prefers my sweet and salty flavors separate, this was definitely not the burger for me. The crunch from the cookies was interesting though. Let us know if you try this, and subscribe to Dish for more viral recipes.